name is Kylie and I want my hair black.
Black.
Yes.
And you want your shave
yes.
refreshed. And we're going to get you into a straight bob line.
Yes.
Will you turn so you can see how your hair is now? It's a nice slow turn. Oh, you're back. Hello friends on YouTube. Going to do this young lady's hair. Start of course with protection like I always do. Then I'm gonna wet the hair. Then I'm gonna part it. Starting with the Nape-shave. And she wants also a small tattoo in it. Dat heb ik er wel opgestoken, hè?
Zal zeggen niks gaan doen?
Nee, gewoon laten zo. And this is the rest color of a purple. So you see what it does in the summertime. It's not that long ago that she had it. When I'm going for a straight bob, the length in the back will be the guideline. So then I know where to go. Brush the hair with the Olivia Garden brush. It's super clean hair, so it's nicely to get a color in. First gonna go to the Nape-shave. Pin the hair to the side. Gonna work first with the clipper comb. Turner so you can see what I'm doing. Clip my comb on. And for most girls who have a Nape-shave or a side shave, they really love it, especially in summertime. It's nice, cool. Always go in the opposite lines. Take off my comb, put my blade to the back, getting in a combing position, so I only use the tips of my blade and clean the contour line and soften it. Zo lekker als het eraf is, hè?
Ja.
Een vakje. Het is echt een vakje dan.
Ja. Het was al best wel lang.
Ja, dat is hartstikke goed. Getting to my small clipper. Clean the contour line. Get rid of all the small hairs we don't need. Clean this up. And now I know she wants a tattoo art in it. So I'm gonna make her that. I'm gonna work out this bed. This I do with a whale clipper. So I get even more sharp lines. And the whale is a perfect clipper to do tattoo art with. Wet the underline, take out the clips, set out a straight line to the front. The line on the back will be the guideline. She came from an asymmetrical line, so the shortest part will be the guideline for the lines. That you see is this side, so here we're going to make the straight line on. Knowing that this will be the length, take both hairs from the front to the sides in the center, make myself a guideline. So I'm certain that I have a straight line when I work on that. Get down, hold my fingers in the straight line. Come the hairs straight down. And you see what, the more I come to the back, the less comes off. Go over the same line again. Be aware of every rounding in the natural fall. This is my baseline. Get about 2 centimeters higher. Wetting again. Get on the line of cutting. Starting in the back. Watch at the line of cutting. So you see him laying in the underline. Stay focused on the lines that you can see. So I'll work all these lines on this side. Go to the other side. First start in the center line. Take the hair straight down. This was the longer side of the asymmetrical line. So you can see there's more coming up. Go back over the same line. And I'm gonna connect all the lines on top of this, of course, on this baseline. So take again about 2 centimeters here. Then the upper hair side. Wet it and do the same. Now I have to watch at the center because her hair lays a little bit more to the right side, so I take a little bit off the center line over to the other side, just to be sure if she goes swimming that the hairs from the other side don't lay over this side. And it's never much, just a little bit. I'll show you that in a second. But it's very important to cut it because otherwise small parts stick out. And this way I'm also certain that I did all her hair. Turn a bit so you can see what this, the length. Take the hair straight down. Pull them on the line of cutting. You see, there's only minor parts. But when you leave them, as you go swimming and they lay over to this side, it doesn't look that well. So that's why I always take that small part off. Have to take care of her piercings because she has ear piercings, so I cannot get real deep in. And when this is done, I'm going to make her a color. I'm going to make her a glint color and a real dark, glowing black. Do this with 3%, that's 10 volume, 1 part color, 2 parts peroxide. So now I can make her a color. Okay, made the colors. Going for shadow is of glint. Use 2 colors. One is normal black and the other is blue black. So I get a deeper color and deeper shade. Start applying in the neckline. And I put in step 1 of the conditioner line. Starting in the neckline, building up. Take every time about a centimeter hair. Take the hair straight up. Set it first in the underline, then in the upper lines, and then apply it on the hairs. Clean the contour line. Put it some carton wigs on the contour so you don't have the colors that stay on the skin. Close this plastic foil. Gonna wait for 25 minutes, then rinse it out. And then go back for starting. Hot spots. Okay, back from coloring, we rinse it out. Use a Lanza smooth product because I want to have the hairs as smooth as possible. And it smells really nice. She has real strong hair, so then the smooth product is really nice on the hairs. Brush this through the hairs. I'm gonna blow dry the hairs with a large brush of Ergo. Starting in the back. Pin the hairs aside that I don't want to dry. In the first place, the second, and after that, turn them so you can see. And also you can see the bed in her neck. so far blow drying. Now the only thing I'm gonna use on my hair is a bit Lanza oil. To bring out even more the glow of the hairs. And it gives a real nice smell. This I brush through the hairs. I thank her for being my model. I thank you for watching. Take off the cape and she will certainly show you the end result. Till next time. Bye bye. Ja, je mag.
Even morgen.
Ja, mag. Dat Dankjewel.
Hello, my name is Kylie and I want my hair black.
Black.
Yes.
And you want your shave
Yes.
refreshed. And we're going to get you into a straight bob line.
Yes.
Will you turn so you can see how your hair is now? It's a nice slow turn.